If your internet constantly gets interrupted or disconnecting and reconnected, this means that maybe your USB, if you have a Wi-Fi adapter, if you don't have the Wi-Fi adapter, maybe it's a power. I will show you the two options. First thing is to go to right click on this and go to device manager, and over here make sure that over here universal serial bus controllers expanded, find it where it says root hub, and right click on it and click properties and go to power management, and over here disable this, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This just unclick this, click OK, and the second one over here you can't do this, so don't bother with that. Check everything, and now just unclick this, allow the computer to turn this to save power. Okay, this is the first thing to do. Another thing is power management. This means that you need to go to settings and type in power and sleep settings and click additional power settings over here, and you can see that I'm on a high performance, and click change plan settings, and over here change advanced power settings. Okay, and now you can turn off and on some features. For me, because it's a wireless adapter settings, you can check over here that says maximum performance, and USB settings, selective suspend setting, expand it, and select disabled. And this is it. This way your USB will not be disconnected from the power source, and of course it will work. Third thing is to go to network and internet and click on Wi-Fi over here and go to change adapter options like this, and now over here right click on it and click properties. Over here click configure, and again power management, and untick this, allow the computer to turn off this to save power. And this is the third way, and I hope this will work out for you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.